See from behind.
Yes.
Good day, sir.
Good day.
Engineer Udo Kingsley. I'm a member of the PCC. So we've been around here.
Hello, sir. I want everybody to remain calm. This issue is an issue that will be resolved. If the court has interfered in the leadership of our party, we will get them to withdraw because they have no right to come and take any leadership problem. Political parties do not answer political questions. Supreme Court has said it clearly. We are the party members who will know who is our chairman. If all of us gather say is Abu is the chairman. You cannot bring somebody and smuggle into the party office without the consent of party members.
I think what they are enjoying now, what they have come,
let me talk.
I don't know whether it's possible. I want to ask questions, sir.
Yes.
I'm not. Maybe you said maybe I'm against Abu. Everybody likes somebody that is agile and hardworking and they want to bring positive.
Yes, results.
So what we're talking about now, assuming there is, according to the party, as you said about the constitution, assuming there is a criminal charge, if it's really a criminal charge, how do you go about it?
Have you proved it?
No, you can drop it.
The new leadership for Labour Party.
I'm not aware.
That is illegal.
I'm not aware.
You know the last name.
I'm not aware.
What do you mean? Okay, do you even call the chairman? Did you call the chairman?
Let us answer.
Yes.
How God the people are
Aslem has been suspended. He has no right to be here. Aslem has been suspended. Aslem is on suspension. You have no right to be here. Aslem, you are on suspension. You have no right to be here. I'm going to say chairman. No, Jagun. That's my name. Ask me from Alabama. Who are you? 30 years ago, when you are suspended. You are not suspended. You have no right to be here. Where were you when we started? You have been suspended in December. 4 months ago.
This is no new for us.
Hello.
Nobody is talking to anyone.
Hello.
Nobody is talking to anyone.
Hello. Listen, gentlemen. We are party men, right?
Absolutely.
And if we are party men, it means we are all under the law. My chairman.
I won't shake you. I won't shake.
So,
no, I don't. We not pretend.
Then don't talk to me. Wait now, go ahead.
How can you embarrass me?
Don't talk to them.
It's okay. It's okay.
But it's wrong now. What is it wrong? No matter what it is, I
have right to accept or not.
Yes.
You can't threaten me. You are not me. I've been patient with this idiot. I have the right to say no. I have the right to say no to your handshake or not. I have the right to say no.
Take time.
You want to shake me? I said don't shake me. Is that what I was saying? Did you know? I'll be right to check and then I don't check. Did I say
We are not here to hear any sermon.
I'm still the most senior officer here now. Don't say that when I'm here. Don't say that.
No, say you are the new leader.
I say I'm the most senior man here.
Let me address it.
Don't address it. Your own address will create problem. You are not the most senior. I'm the most senior officer here. And I have the right to address you.
Madam, keep quiet now.
Nobody is listening to her.
Keep quiet.
Labour Party. Forward ever.
Labour Party.
Listen.
Don't beg anybody.
This is our party.
It's our party, so go ahead, sir.
Whether we shout, whether we didn't shout, Labour Party belongs to all of us.
Yes.
Can I have your attention, please?
Now, go ahead. We are listening.
Ladies and gentlemen, for those who are not privileged to know what has happened,
Pay attention. Pay attention so that you don't hear. Pay attention.
Labour Party.
Kwara, pay attention. Pay attention. Listen.
Let me tell you this: Labour Party is our own party, and it belongs to all of us. Whether we like it,
Keep on talking, Baba.
whether we like it or we don't like, Labour Party is our own party. And if there is any issue, we must resolve that issue. Let me tell you the genesis of this problem. It's not a problem per se. What I am doing right now is to save the party, to save our candidates, and to save the nation. For those who are not privileged to know what really transpired, sometime last week, there was a court order that restrained.
With due respect, sir.
Yes, please.
If you want us to listen to what has transpired,
Yeah.
whatever, give us the chairman our due respect.
Okay.
Let us go into our office, sit
Li-
down on the round table, and have a conversation.
There is no problem.
Listen, I am coming.
We cannot talk to us in the presence of everybody in the camera. Take us to our office. Open our office for us. Let's have a conversation as party men. That is it.
Listen to me first.
No, we are not here.
Let's go inside.
We are not. No.
I should be a man of
Discuss and creating a scene for cameramen. Let's go inside and talk. That is the point. I deserve that respect as a party chairman.
Go inside the office. No. We have our secretariat.
That is why I say,
We have our secretariat.
go inside and talk.
You know the rules. You don't know. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Wait, youth. I respect. Listen first.
Let's go inside.
Listen first.
We only leave
You keep quiet now. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. What's wrong with you?
Shut up.
The national chairman is talking about making. Will you keep quiet? What's wrong with you? Keep quiet. You know I respect you. You know I respect you. Don't let me disrespect you. Keep quiet. What's wrong with you? Don't lose your respect.
Listen to me.
Calm down, sir.
Please, calm down, please.
Are you stupid?
It's okay, sir.
Are you stupid?
This is a guy that I've assisted.
If they talk, don't be mad if they use stuff. Talk.
Well, it's okay. Now.
What do we want to do now?
Don't worry about that. Don't worry. Now, listen. This is the Labour Party's national headquarters. Are we there? Now, this is the Labour Party's national headquarters. Now, for those of you who want to know what happened, Barrister Julius Abure engage and indulge in document forgery and perjury with criminal conspiracy. The Nigeria Police Force, under the Inspector General of Police, for CID, Investigation Department, did that investigation and came out with a forensic audit that indicted Barrister Julius Abure, the National Secretary, the National Treasurer, and the National Organizing Secretary. And the FCT High Court issued a restraining order on the 5th of April, barring Abure and 3 others from parading themselves as national officers of Labour Party. So this is the position of law. So it has nothing to do with the party. Now, and the law says, in the event of such, the constitutional provision take their natural course. The natural course of the constitution is such that the most senior person, who is the deputy national chairman south of the party, assume that office. And that has been done. That has been done. Now, for some of us who were illegally suspended, myself and the publicity secretary, Rabambi, were subsequently reinstated same day. So right now, we are not here because of the noise. We have national tax, we have national assignment. But the grounds here right now is this. We have the national leader of the party here, Alhaji Lamidi Bashir Apapa. All of you as pressmen, you saw when we came in. You saw when we came in. Even when I stretched my hand to shake, they are all my juniors in the party. I'm a national officer. These are state chairmen, ordinarily. But notwithstanding, I stretched out my hand to shake them in turn. But you saw the level of disrespect. Now, I didn't take it on them until they had the effrontery to embarrass the national chairman. I will stand here as the national youth leader of Labour Party to watch them, 5 junior officers in the party, to embarrass the national chairman. It won't happen. It won't happen. But if they now want to know my capacity as the national youth leader of Labour Party, if that is what they want to see that they have not seen, then I cannot exhibit that to them. Because I have what it takes right now to move all of them here to where I want them. But notwithstanding, as party men, we will behave as party men. So, but we will not tolerate this level of insult, more so for the national chairman of Labour Party. So, what? Well, like I said, they are our party men. We don't have issues with them, ordinarily. We don't have issues with our party structure. We don't have issues with them. It doesn't matter where they think their own allegiance is to Abure, but on the face of the law as it stands today in Nigeria, Abure cannot come into this building because he has been restrained by the FCT High Court, himself and 3 others, from parading themselves. So on the 17th, they will appear in court. So there's even a warrant of arrest for Abure that has been procured by the FCT High Court to the Inspector General of Police. But whatever happens on the 17th is between Abure and the federal government of Nigeria to deal with. So Labour Party in itself has no issue with him. Neither do we have any issue with our members who are state chairman and secretary. They are our own. But because most of them are... Now we are here because we have our governorship elections for Kogi, for Bayelsa and Imo. It's coming up, like you are aware. We are here to commence the screening yesterday. We are basically here today to take the appeal, so that if they have any issues, we take the appeal, address the issues, so that INEC can publish their details based on what we submit, and subsequently we go for the primary. So simple.
But
so for us,
melodrama now, is there a possibility of you being able to go in to hold that?
Oh no, definitely. Oh, definitely. Like we said,
a seeming fisticuff here.
Definitely, like we said, these are our members.
My name is Chief Rotimi Kende. I'm the state chairman of Labour Party and the chairman for all the chairman forum in the country, the 30 states including FCT. You can see we were here last week to take back our party. And you see what we saw what we did. We entered this place and we were able to normalize the event because some hoodlums and some miscreants some few days ago came to this secretariat. If you go inside and see they vandalized, they broke inside without key. They destroyed so many things in the secretariat. And we took on the spot assessment. First men were here, and where we told them we are critical members of NEC. NEC consists of all state chairman and secretary and national working committee members. Those are NEC. And any elected governor, president are members. So, but in this state, before you can take any action, the National Committee has right, power to suspend somebody. But power to expel somebody from the party lies in the convention, like in the National Executive Council, which is NEC. This NEC have not meeting. I've not held any meeting since. And the chairman, in order to safeguard the image of the party, suspended starting officer. The person who was speaking now, Eragbe Anslem, the former leader, has been suspended for more than 5 months now from the party. So he has no local standing to address the press as a leader of the party. And we kept mute. And we came here with the spirit that we are coming to make peace. Let there be peace last week. And we came here.
Did you bring peace? So what is the purpose of coming here today? Hello, please. When you came, today we are here. What is the purpose of coming here?
We didn't even know.
Just want to enter, that's why you came.
Yesterday. Yes.
You are letting him talk.
I can't shout now. Okay. Anyway, we were here today. When we heard that our party, somebody came here to do screening for one candidate. So we did screening for all our candidates yesterday at the president campaign office. I was one of the cover the committee, and we did the screening and we did everything, only to hear that they screened one candidate here yesterday. So we as chairman, we came here today to see what is now. On getting here, we discovered that the place has been locked, replaced with Vigilante and DSS. So and we discovered that all these things they are telling lies. So before you can remove any chairman, there must be a convention. But they did not wait. Then they are talking about judgment. The judgment we had, we equally have a judgment from a equal jurisdiction from Benin. You understand? Or whereby the court restrained them from carrying out the action of restraining Abere, another from finding themselves. You understand me? So the issue is that these people have been expelled from the party. Okay, let me tell you, somebody who went to another state and raised up the hand of a candidate for another political party, what moral justification does he have to call himself a national officer? Or somebody went to another state to collect money on behalf of the party and raise up and adopt another government candidate.
You can share this allegation of money collection.
Yes, in Ogun State. Okay. In Ogun State. It happened in River. From the governor. You understand me?
How much did you collect from the
You don't want to know that.
I don't want to know that. But if I'm not even talking about wait, I'm not talking about money.
No, before I report and I'm sued.
You are asking me.
You said
let me clarify it.
Yes, sir.
The fact is, I'm not talking about money.
Okay.
I said somebody who took somebody else. We have evidence of that.
Okay.
To endorse a state governor, current state governor. What moral judgment does that person have to see? Is that not? What do you call that?
Anti-party activity.
That's purely anti-party activity. And he was suspended.
If he has not been
told some other people like that.
Talking to us, please. Let him talk, please.
He told some other people. Are you getting me? And not these are decisions that you people took that we felt bad. We felt back. It felt bad here. That things like that are happening. And we now came on board to this place. They did not allow us. Even the guy addressing the Anslem, that's the dentist press. I was the chairman of the forum that called Anslem when they suspended him. The chairman stood up for Anslem and we told them that Anslem will be investigated. We called Anslem. We spoke to Anslem. Let us do this thing peacefully. And we called him to meet. He met with me. He came with 3 of his boys and we discussed. But when we told Anslem that he should wait to let us execute whatever we have on ground to talk to the chairman, he released another bombshell. And the chairman brought a lot of evidence against this man. We still call him, we still talk to him, but he refused. You understand me now? So the fact is that all this noise they are making, they now brought up here and rogues. You can see what is happening now. These people are not members of our party. We have been this party for close to 20 years. Some of us have been for 15, 14 years.
Okay, yesterday, 8 persons.
Wow, this matter.
Abuja is gone.
Gentlemen, please, can we...
I'm Comrade Obalok KSC from the state and the chairman of the party there. The chairman of the forum has spoken exactly what it is. It's just to say to you that the National Working Committee is an inferior organ of the party to NEC. And so when a small fraction of it broke into the party office and installed themselves as leaders, is so illegitimate and the action failed as it came. This is the position of the chairman of the 36 states up to date. And so we are here today after some of the assignment we were given nationally to check our national secretariat, only to find out that it was shut down by those we do not know. But however, let the message go that there's no retreat, and this group is illegal and will never be tolerated by NEC. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm Comrade Ogbaloy KSC, the chairman Labour Party Edo State.
No,
yes.
Your name, two names.
Comrade Ogbaloy, Kelly, SE.
Kelly, SE.
Yes. Yes. My name is CK Igara. CK Igara is the chairman Labour Party Abia State. Like my colleague just said, CK Igara is my name.
Mention full name, two names.
C-E-E-K-A-Y, Igara. That's my name. CK is C-E-E-K-A-Y. It's a name, good. Let me tell us the truth. PDP is in shambles. ABC is in total disarray. Now, some elements from these failed organizations decided to use suspended members of the party to come and destabilize the party. Let me tell us the truth. We are talking about taking back Nigeria. If we must take back Nigeria, we must stand on the truth. We must stand on equity, stand on justice and fairness. There is no fairness in this. Look at, I don't know when last Apapa came around the office. Even the so-called suspended youth leader engaged me for more than 3 hours on the phone, talking to me, telling me the reason why I should resign my stand. I told him, listen, you are just a new person in the party, not about 3 months or 3 years ago. So you have not studied the Constitution. And they said they suspended you based on some of the things you did, which you didn't take permission from the authorities. Yes. And when that happened, it is just proper that a disciplinary action must do their job, and that they did. It is now left for you to force them to bring it to NEC. If NEC ratifies that, it stands. But if NEC said no, overrules them, you are back. Why bringing down the roof of the house? That is where you find out there is an ulterior motive. If not, you cannot destroy a house you think you built, or a house you think that will house you during the storm. Therefore, as party chairman, all the delegates are going to come from us. If there is any convention, the delegates are coming from the states. Those people, they don't have delegates. Why are they causing this trouble? Even when they know that if all of us can agree, if we agree, we bring them back, but not destroying the structure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You want us to talk to